Brothers, the White House just announced that the first round of negotiations between the United States and Iran will be held on the morning of the 11th in Islamabad. Once this news came out, the geopolitical tension in the Middle East has obviously eased. The market also directly gave its reaction. US stocks also accelerated their rebound. Many tech stocks, high valuation stocks are all starting to warm up. But you have to think clearly about one point. The market is not trading the negotiation itself, but is betting on the expectation of de-escalation of the Middle East conflict. If you didn't see this news in time, then this week you may miss a very big wave of profit. Many tech stocks in this US-Iran war also saw their stock prices crash sharply. So the stock prices may, through this wave of negotiations, directly pull back to the previous highs. From a short-term perspective, funds in US stocks
will quickly flow back to tech stocks and other risk assets. The market style switch is very fast. If you can't keep up with the rhythm, you will most likely not make money. Today I recommend an individual stock to everyone called Cisco Systems, stock code Cisco. Its company's main business is the global leading network equipment and security company. It mainly engages in routers, switches, cloud computing network solutions, and AI-driven related security products. You can also see that in the past year, its company's stock trend has been very strong. It has risen about 70% from the low point. The recent US-Iran war did not cause its stock price to see a substantial decline. The company's stock price is very resistant to decline. Then, if the market warms up, its company's stock will only rise even more fiercely. The strong will stay strong. It's that simple. Okay, if once the market risk decreases, then enterprises will dare to invest more. Then these companies' order expectations will also improve. Price pullback, then oscillating upward again, more like the initial repair of its company's stock price. At the same time, our AI quantitative model has also monitored that institutions are all continuously buying this company. So follow the institution's footsteps. Institutions are short-term going long near $74. This position has call option orders. So if we want to go long near $74 is a good choice. Short-term long positions can also be done. For short positions, I can follow the institutions at this position, $85, $86 is a good choice. This position are maybe a short-term selling pressure level. You can see the previous high point was a pullback with relatively large magnitude. Brothers, that's it for this company. In the coming week, we will focus closely on this company's stock movement.